guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Team Dangers83. For today's vlog, mga ka-team, mga mamshis and children, we have a new lesson to study. Are you excited? Wow, very good! Now, our lesson for today is all about the sound of a letter F. Okay, so what is the sound of a letter F? So, children, the sound of letter F goes like this. Look at my mouth, children. Again. So, that is the sound of a letter F. So, before we go on to our different pictures with the beginning sound of letter F, let us hear a song. Do you want to sing a song, children? Okay, you can sing with me. Okay, children, before we go on to our different pictures with the beginning sound of F, let us sing a song. Do you want to sing a song, children? Okay, very good. So, the sound of a letter F goes like this. F. Okay, now let us sing a song. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Farmer, fish, flower, farmer, fish, flower. Okay, so that is the sound of a letter F. Now, children, as you can hear the song, the sound always goes. So that is the sound of a letter F. Moving on to our different pictures with the beginning sound of F. Okay, so our first picture, as you can see on the board, that is a fan. Fan. Again, fan. And the beginning sound, it goes fan, and the beginning sound is. Our second picture, that is a fork. Fork, and the beginning sound is fork, and the beginning sound is. Now, as you can see in our board, our third picture, that is a frog. Frog, and the beginning sound is frog, and the beginning sound is. The next picture on the board, that is a finger. Finger, and the beginning sound is finger, and the beginning sound is. Our last picture, children, as you can see again on the board, that is a fence. Fence, and the beginning sound is fence, and the beginning sound is. Okay, children, let us recall those different pictures with the beginning sound of. Are you now ready? Okay, look at on the board. Our first picture, that is a fan. Fan, and the beginning sound is. Our second picture, that is a fork. Fork, and the beginning sound is. Our third picture, that is a frog. Frog, and the beginning sound is. Our fourth picture, that is the finger. Finger, and the beginning sound is. And our last picture, that is a fence. Fence, and the beginning sound is. As you can see on the board, the different pictures starts with the sound of. Again, children, what is the beginning sound of all those pictures? Okay, very good. That is Okay, children, we are now done in recognizing those different pictures with the sound of. So, today I am going to teach you on how to write the sound of. So, before that, let us write it on the air. Okay, children? Now, look at my finger, children. You are going to write it the big like this. Okay, a straight line from the blue line down to the blue line. And then a horizontal line across the blue line, and then another horizontal line across the red line. So that is the big sound. How about the small sound? So you're going to write it like this. Okay, a left curve, then connected with a straight line down to the blue line. Then after that, in the middle, you're going to write a horizontal line across the red line. So that is the small sound. Okay, look at my finger, children. You're going to write it like this. The big f. That is the big f sound. And the small f sound, it goes like this. Okay, do you get it, children? Okay, very good. Now, children, if you have your grade 1 paper, look at your grade 1 paper. As you can see, there are different colors of line. There are blue lines and red line. Is it correct? Okay, very good. Now, how to write the sound of f? Okay, look at your paper. You are going to write a straight line, start from the blue line down to the blue line, and then a horizontal line across the blue line, and another horizontal line across the red line. So that is the big f sound. Okay, how about the small f sound? You're going to write between the red line and the blue line a left curve. Then you're going to connect a straight line down to the blue line and a small horizontal line across the red line. So that is the small f sound. So again, children, how to write the f sound? You're going to write a straight line from blue line down to the blue line, and then a horizontal line across the blue line, and another horizontal line across the red line. So that is the big f sound. Okay, how about the small f sound? You're going to write between the red line and the blue line a left curve, and then connected with the straight line down to the blue line, and another horizontal line across the red line. So that is the small f sound. Do you get it, children? Okay, very good. Okay, children and momchies, that is our lesson for today. The sound of a letter F and how to write the sound of letter F. So I hope that you enjoy and you learn on my video today. And I hope that you will going to write it. You are going to practice it at home, children. No? Practice writing until you make it perfect. Okay, so again, this is your teacher, Teacher Bev, saying goodbye.